Alright, after comparing over 20 different video doorbells, I found the 5 best options, ranging from around $60 to over $200. Each one helps you see who's at your door from anywhere, keeps your home secure, and gives you peace of mind. Whether you're expecting a package, want to check on your front porch, or just want to feel safer, there is a model here for you. But there are also some video doorbells that have poor video quality and are unreliable. I'll tell you which ones to avoid later in the video, and you can find links with discounts in the description. And by the end, I will tell you which one is my favorite. So at number 5, we've got the Blink Video Doorbell, and it's priced just under $80, making it the cheapest on this list. And that price does come with one small catch I'll mention later. This is for anyone who wants a simple doorbell camera and absolutely hates dealing with wiring or constant recharging. The first thing I really liked is how you can just set it and forget it. That 2-year battery life isn't a gimmick. After a few weeks, I realized I wasn't even thinking about it, unlike other devices that need charging every few months. It just works in the background without any hassle. Day to day, the head-to-toe view is actually useful for seeing packages on the ground. The two-way audio is also clear enough for a quick word with a delivery driver without any issues. It feels very low maintenance. Once it's installed, you just let it do its thing. It's a pretty standard size, not too big, and the black finish blends in easily. Now, the catch I mentioned is that you'll need their subscription to save video clips once the free trial runs out. But if you want an affordable, no-fuss doorbell with incredible battery life, this is the one to get. So at number 4, we've got the Ring Battery Doorbell, and it's priced around $100. This is the go-to for anyone who wants a super reliable, easy-to-install doorbell from a brand they already trust. The first thing I really liked was the head-to-toe view. It sounds like a gimmick, but it's genuinely useful. I could finally see packages left right on my doorstep, which older cameras would often miss. It gives you a much taller view from the ground up, so you're not guessing what's happening just out of frame. After using it for a few days, the motion alerts were consistently fast, and the two-way talk is crystal clear for talking to delivery drivers. Day to day, it just feels polished. The app is simple, and it connects to Alexa without any hassle. It has that classic, clean look and fits perfectly on a standard door frame. If you want a doorbell that just works reliably out of the box, especially if you use other Amazon devices, this is a fantastic pick. So at number 3, we've got the eufy Security Video Doorbell E340, and it's priced around $180. This is for anyone who gets a lot of packages and hates the idea of paying a monthly subscription. The first thing you'll notice is the dual camera setup. It sounds like a gimmick, but it's the one feature I came to rely on. The main camera captures faces perfectly, while the second one points straight down, completely eliminating that blind spot right in front of your door where packages get left. After using it for a few days, I stopped worrying about did it get delivered because I could see the box clear as day in the app. The 2K video is also super sharp, and the color night vision actually works. Best of all, there are no mandatory subscription fees for storing your video clips. Day to day, it just feels like you have every angle covered with no hidden costs. It's a bit larger than your average doorbell, but it has a clean, modern design that blends in well. If package security is your top priority and you want to avoid monthly bills, this is a fantastic choice. So at number 2, we've got the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, and it's priced around $180. This is for anyone who wants to see everything at their front door, especially packages left on the ground. The first thing I really liked is the head-to-toe video. It sounds like a gimmick, but it just means the camera's view is much taller. After using it for a few days, I stopped wondering if a package was actually there because you can see the whole doormat, not just the person's face. Day to day, that tall view is the biggest real-world upgrade you'll notice over older cameras. The color night vision is also surprisingly useful for seeing details after dark. Plus, the alerts are smart enough to tell the difference between a person and a passing car. It feels like a premium piece of tech for your home. You set it up once and it just works. It has that classic Ring look and fits cleanly right on the door frame without looking bulky. If you want the best battery-powered view for seeing both packages and people, this is the one to get. So at number 1, we've got the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro, and it's priced around $230. This is really for the person who wants zero compromises and the absolute best video quality you can get from a doorbell camera. The first thing I really liked is how insanely sharp the 4K video is. After using it for a few days, I realized this isn't just a speck on a box. Day to day, it means you can actually zoom in on your phone and read a license plate across the street, or see the logo on someone's shirt, which is something cheaper cameras just can't do. There's no more guessing or dealing with a blurry, pixelated mess when you need to see a detail. Its 3D motion detection is also a game changer. It learns the layout of your property, so it stopped sending me alerts for cars driving by and only notified me when a person actually walked toward my door. The low-light video is also impressive, holding onto color way longer than I expected. It feels less like a gadget and more like a professional security tool that just works. It has a solid premium build that looks the part, so it doesn't feel out of place on a nice home. If you're willing to invest in getting the clearest possible picture and the smartest alerts, this is the one to buy. So before we wrap up, let's talk about what to avoid. Honestly, I'd skip any of the generic, no-name doorbells that make you sign up for confusing and expensive cloud plans right away. You also want to avoid anything with a super complicated hardwiring process unless you're really comfortable with that stuff. A doorbell that constantly disconnects from your Wi-Fi or sends you 100 false alerts a day is more of a headache than a help, no matter how cheap it is. With all that in mind, the one I personally found to be the best overall is the Ring Wire Doorbell Pro. It was the most reliable, the video was unbelievably clear, and the smart alerts actually worked as promised, which made it the most useful day to day. It's the one I would choose if I could only have one. If you want to check the latest deals on it, I'll leave a link for you down in the description.